Tools needed for this assembly: Allen key size 5, click R color pliers, take out the paramotor from its box. Place it on a flat, even surface for easy assembly. The radiator support plate will be installed between the spacers and the rubber mounts. Unscrew the screws. Lift the main frame and create space between the rubber mounts and the spacers. Lift the frame, insert the radiator support, and screw the screws tight. When done, place the paramotor on the ground, take the short tube, insert one end to the cylinder head and the other end to the upper inlet of the radiator. Take the longer tube, and please note that the yellow clamp should be inserted to the lower part of the case of the engine and the other end to the lower outlet of the radiator. Place all clamps in a good position for clamping. Position and hold the clamp with your hand, and with the other hand use the pliers to tighten the clamp. Make sure in the end that all clamps are tightened correctly. When assembling the radiator on the 303, the only difference is the position of the radiator bracket. It will now be installed between the silent blocks and the upper engine mount bracket.